Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Audi Q7 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you'll also see, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, and this is with 7 seats in place. You can, of course, fold these rear 2 down using the buttons on the side just here to increase this space further, and you can fold that, what are currently the middle 3 down, should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, the first thing you'll notice is the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. We'll hop in and run through the controls now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On that far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. On the far right-hand side, the fuel gauge. And then we have our digital display in the center. So on the left-hand side of that, we have the rev counter. Within that, the gear the car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and a digital readout for that speedometer. In the center at the bottom, total miles of the car, which are 43,699. Above that, we're on the driving data menu at the moment. So lots of bits of fuel economy, trip computer information, but you can change that menu for various different things, including having your satellite navigation there, which you can see. Really nice, clear satellite view, in fact. You can change the layout of the dials should you wish to. So you can increase the area that the sat-nav has or decrease it back to what we had a moment ago. And that is done with the buttons over here. We have our stereo and phone controls, cruise control and speed limiter, the minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main touchscreen for the car. So first of all, you can see we have a full color reversing camera, as well as a visual guide to the front and rear parking sensors as well. You can go back out to your home screen from here. So it's all touchscreen. You get a haptic feedback from the buttons, which is very nice as well. Your audio menu is over to this left-hand side, where you'll be able to listen to your DAB, FM and AM radio. You can listen to your own music as well. You can do that via Bluetooth audio, should you wish to. You need to pair up your phone in order that you do that. We've also then got USB input and various streaming services available once you connect up your smartphone from here as well. We have, back out to the main menu, the main satellite navigation screen just here. So you can have your sat-nav, if you wish to, on both screens simultaneously, or of course, one or the other, completely up to you. Below that, we have our second screen where you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in once it enters the car. Your air conditioning, you can turn on and off from here. So off, back on again, or hit auto. In doing so, the car will take full control for you to maintain, and you can override that whenever you wish to, but to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. We can turn off our stop and start, our downhill brake control up here as well. We can change the driving setup of the car. We've got our traction control, hazard warning lights, of course. You can make adjustments to your parking camera from here. We have the volume for your stereo, the start and stop button for the engine itself. Then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. It will show you what gear the car is in here. Electronic handbrake with an auto hold function as well. The last thing I wanted to touch on briefly is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here is the spare key, so of course 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document for the car, showing it's a 2-owner vehicle from new. And this is a service printout from Audi themselves, showing the pre-delivery inspection in 2022, and then services in 23 and 24, both at Audi main dealers. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.